Are you doing all the right things, but still struggling with weight loss, a slow metabolism, or inflammation that just won't go away? What if your body could literally clean out the damage, repair itself, and burn fat more efficiently just by not eating? Today, we're diving into autophagy, your body's natural cellular cleanup process, and how it's triggered by fasting. I'll show you how understanding this process could be the missing key to transforming your metabolic health and losing that extra weight for good. I'm Dr. Jess Bilger, a board-certified nurse practitioner and integrative wellness expert. I'm here to simplify your metabolic health journey with natural, evidence-based solutions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. You might be wondering, what exactly is autophagy and why does it matter so much for your health? Autophagy, which literally means self-eating, is your body's built-in process of breaking down and recycling old damaged cells, proteins, and toxins. Think of it like cellular housekeeping. When autophagy is activated, your body clears out the junk that's no longer serving you, making space for new, healthier cells to regenerate. This process is absolutely essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Without it, damaged cells start to pile up, inflammation rises, and your body struggles to function optimally. That's when you start feeling stuck, inflamed, and unable to lose weight. So how do you turn on autophagy? The answer lies in fasting. When you're constantly eating, especially meals high in carbohydrates, your body produces insulin, which keeps autophagy turned off. But when you go without food for an extended period, what we call intermittent fasting, insulin levels drop and autophagy kicks in. There are numerous studies, which I'll link below, showing that autophagy begins to increase significantly around 16 to 18 hours of fasting and ramps up the longer you go without food. That's why intermittent fasting is such a powerful metabolic reset. Now let's talk about why autophagy is a game changer for your metabolism. When autophagy is activated, your body can start repairing the very systems responsible for fat burning, energy regulation, and inflammation control. It reduces insulin resistance by clearing out damaged insulin receptors, lowers systemic inflammation that often underlies chronic disease, improves mitochondrial function so your cells produce energy more efficiently, and helps your body burn fat, especially stubborn visceral fat around the belly. Regularly activating autophagy may also help protect against metabolic diseases like type 2 diabetes, fatty liver, and obesity. You might be wondering, what type of fasting actually works to activate autophagy? The most accessible and popular method is intermittent fasting. This includes the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or slightly longer fasts like 18-6 or even 24. Some people occasionally do 24 to 48-hour fasts for deeper benefits. If you're new to fasting, a great way to start is with a 12 to 14-hour fast overnight and gradually increase the window. These methods help you ease into fasting without overwhelming your body and still allow autophagy to gradually kick in. How often should you fast to get these benefits? That depends on your personal goals, but in general, fasting 3 to 5 times a week can be incredibly effective for restoring metabolic health. You don't need to fast every single day to see results. Consistency over time is what matters. And when you do eat, be sure to break your fast with nutrient-dense, low-carb foods like bone broth, healthy fats like ghee or avocado, and animal-based proteins like ground beef or lamb to help stabilize insulin and support long-lasting energy and hormone balance. Of course, fasting isn't right for everyone. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, underweight, or have a history of eating disorders, or if you take medications that affect blood sugar or insulin, make sure to consult your healthcare provider before starting any fasting routine. Autophagy and fasting don't just help with weight loss, they heal your metabolism at the root. If you're struggling with fatigue, cravings, or stubborn weight, I encourage you to start implementing these strategies and share your wins below. I'm here to cheer you on and help you however I can. If this video was helpful and you're looking to learn more, check out my metabolic health playlist for more videos on how to improve your metabolic health naturally. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Here's to feeling your best inside and out.